Today I am going to show you how to make a paper butterfly. For that we need pencil, scissors and a square paper. So let's get started. First you take the square paper and fold it like this. Then you open it and fold it the opposite side. Then you fold it like this after turning it. Then you can see there are some lines here. You do like this. Make it a triangle. Like this. So make it a triangle like this. Next, you fold it like this. See? See? Now open it. First is to do like this. Okay. Do like that on the other side too. Fold it like this, the both sides. See? Now the next part is turn it and fold it like this. I think now you should fold like this. And you can see an edge over here. You fold to here. This is how we can make paper butterflies